The biggest lie young people are told when they're 18, 19, and 20 is this: money doesn't grow on trees. That idea starts in school, when we're taught to follow the safe path. Go to school, get a job, get a mortgage, work every hour until you're 67, and then retire. But let's be real for a second. Do you really think that's how people become wealthy? You think that's how I make $67,257 per week? Of course not. There's something else going on. And no, it's not about getting a better job. It's about building systems that make money for you, even while you sleep. That's called passive income. And today, I'll show you 7 ways to build it, rated by time, money, and ease of making $100 a week. Let's start with number 1. Idea 1. Invest in dividend stocks. Most people think stock investing means buying low and selling high. That's not true passive income. Real passive income is money flowing into your account without selling your investments. That's where dividend stocks come in. When you buy shares of companies like Starbucks or McDonald's, they pay you a share of their profits every few months. That's cash, straight into your pocket, just for owning the shares. These companies are ranked by reliability. Dividend kings raise dividends 50 years straight. Aristocrats, 25 years. And the rest, the working class. Be cautious with super high dividends. They often don't last. At 2.4% yield, you'd need around $216,000 invested. If that sounds high, let's talk about something that uses your time, not money. Idea 2. Automate a side hustle. Most people confuse a side hustle with another job, but a true side hustle runs even when you're not working. My friend Jamie trained dogs, great at it, but he could only work so many hours. Here's how he could have automated it. Turn his knowledge into a digital course or ebook. Host it online using Hostinger. Promote it through TikTok or Reels. Now his business earns 24/7, even while he sleeps. Just $4 $25 sales a week gets you there. Idea 3. Make online content for decades. Media companies owned all the ad money. Then YouTube changed everything. Now anyone can make videos and get paid. Once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ads automatically. Each video becomes a tiny digital asset, earning for years. But here's the secret. It's not if you post, it's how well you post. Be consistent, stay in one niche, and make content that's actually good. Don't ask friends for feedback. They'll lie. Ask strangers. They'll tell you the truth. Tough at first, but huge potential long-term. Idea 4. Private investing. Imagine being on Shark Tank. Entrepreneurs pitch ideas. You invest early. That's private investing. 2 main types: angels, small investors in early startups; sharks, invest big, gain influence. Ryan Reynolds is a great example. He invests in companies, boosts them with his fame, and sells for millions. Even 1% of that strategy can make you wealthy. Idea 5. Affiliate marketing. This one's simple and powerful. Promote products you love. When someone buys through your link, you get paid. My son's girlfriend shared a referral link for a bank. $10 per sign-up. She made $300 in a day. That's affiliate marketing. Now imagine doing it at scale, through YouTube, blogs, or social media. Sign up on Impact.com or Amazon Associates. Pick a niche. Recommend honestly. $100 week, $2 easy once your audience builds. Idea 6. Create a digital tool. You don't have to be a coder for this one. Find a simple online problem and build a tool that solves it. Could be an app, an extension, even a calculator. Hire a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork. Let them build it for you. Example: the Chrome extension Honey. It automatically finds coupon codes. PayPal later bought it for $4 billion. You don't need a billion-dollar idea, just one that helps people. Once users start subscribing, it scales fast. Idea 7. Real estate without owning property. You don't need to buy buildings to make real estate income. Now, you can invest fractionally. Buy small shares of properties online. Earn rent, earn appreciation, just like a landlord. Or go with REITs, real estate investment trusts. They own malls, apartments, and hotels. They pay dividends every month. Real estate is slow but steady, a long-term wealth builder. If you're starting from zero, go with affiliate marketing or automated side hustles. Low risk, low cost, and great learning. If you've got some savings, dividend stocks or real estate can give steady, long-term income. The key? Stop trading time for money. Start building systems that pay you back. because money might not grow on trees, but it does grow on systems, and you can start planting those seeds today. If you got value from this video, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more strategies that help you earn smarter, build passive income, and take control of your financial future. Your freedom starts with one smart decision today, so make it count. See you in the next one.